Every feed screams crisis. Every headline steals our calm. In this roaring century, what still guides the soul? Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. reminds us, the ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in comfort, but in challenge. We scroll for hours, rage in seconds, and yet our hearts grow lonelier by the day. He warned us long ago, we have guided missiles and misguided men. The prophecy feels written for 2025, I believe. Remember, darkness never conquers darkness. One spark of courage ignites 1,000 dawns. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Love is the quiet power that outlasts every shout. History leaves a fork in the road. Live together as family or perish together as strangers. Life's most urgent question rings louder than any siren. What are you doing for others? Step out of the sinking sand of injustice. Stand tall on the solid rock of brotherhood. Kindness is quite rebellion. One simple act rewrites someone's entire story. Dr. King's dream is no relic. It breathes each time bold hearts choose justice over comfort. Injustice anywhere threatens justice everywhere. The next chapter of that dream begins with you.